This video is for lesson 4-8 and types of angles again. So a transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at different points. So this line here would be your transversal. Now corresponding angles are two angles that occupy the same position on the other parallel line. So for example, 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. 2 and 6 are corresponding angles. 4 and 8 are corresponding angles. And then 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. Alternate interior angles are two angles that lie inside the parallel lines and opposite sides of the transversal. So 4 and 5 would be alternate interior. And then 3 and 6 would be alternate interior angles. And then alternate exterior angles are two angles that lie outside the parallel lines and opposite sides of the transversal. So 1 and 8 would be alternate exterior angles. And then 2 and 7 would be alternate exterior angles. Then we have same side interior angles. So these are two angles that lie inside the parallel lines and same side of the transversal. So 4 and 6 would be same side interior angles, and 3 and 5 would be same side interior angles. And then we've got same side exterior angles, and these are two angles that lie outside the parallel lines and the same side of the transversal. So 1 and 7 would be same side exterior, and then 2 and 8 would be same side exterior. And then vertical angles are two angles directly across from each other, and they are congruent. So 1 and 4 are vertical angles. 2 and 3 are vertical angles. 6 and 7 are vertical angles. And then 5 and 8 are vertical angles. And then finally, we have adjacent angles. And these are two angles that are side by side or next to each other. They have a common side and a common vertex. So for example, 2 and 4 would be adjacent angles. And 7 and 8 would be adjacent angles. And there are more pairs of adjacent angles here. But that's all that we're going to mark on this one. And then finally, here are some examples of your corresponding, your vertical, your alternate, and your same side. And so remember that out here is the exterior. And then inside here, this is the interior. And then again, out here, you have exterior again. And that is it for this set of notes.